Most people pay for Amazon Prime and never realize they're missing one of the best included benefits. Here's the truth no one tells you. Amazon Prime Reading gives you access to thousands of ebooks, magazines, comics, and more without paying extra. In this video, you'll learn exactly what Amazon Prime Reading is, how to use it in 2026, and the fastest way to start reading books for free with your existing Prime membership. Let's jump right into it. Amazon Prime Reading is a digital library available to eligible Amazon Prime members. It allows you to borrow and read a selection of ebooks, magazines, comics, and short reads at no additional cost. Getting started is simple. First, sign into your Amazon account that has an active Prime membership. Next, visit the Prime Reading section on Amazon or open the Kindle app on your phone, tablet, or compatible device. Once you're signed in, browse the available titles. When you find a book you want, select it and choose the option to add it to your library. The book will then appear in your Kindle library and be ready to read. But here's the problem. Many users think Prime Reading works exactly like a public library with unlimited access to every Kindle book. That's not how it works. Prime Reading offers a rotating selection of titles, so availability can change over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. You don't need a Kindle device to use Prime Reading. This is where most people get confused. You can read it on Android phones, iPhones, tablets, computers, and Kindle e-readers. For many people, downloading the free Kindle app is the easiest option. Let's take a quick example. Imagine Jake wants to read during his daily commute. He opens the Kindle app, borrows a Prime Reading title, downloads it to his phone, and reads offline without needing an internet connection. The entire process takes only a few minutes. In a minute, I'll show you the feature that many Prime members overlook. Prime Reading also includes magazines and selected comics. That means you're not limited to traditional books. If you enjoy news, entertainment, business, or lifestyle content, there may be additional reading options available within your membership. But here's another important tip. Always check for the Prime Reading label before borrowing a title. Not every Kindle book is included. Some books require a separate purchase or another subscription. The good news is that borrowing and returning titles is usually straightforward through your Kindle library settings. So, let's recap. Amazon Prime Reading gives Prime members access to a collection of ebooks, magazines, comics, and more at no extra cost. Simply sign in to Amazon, find Prime Reading content, add it to your library, and start reading through the Kindle app or a Kindle device. Now you're ready to get more value from your Prime membership. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite Prime Reading book. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.